Alright, this video is going to be a fix for the couch side table that I made. The problem with the person who I made this for, they were using it for the side of a couch, but they actually wanted to use it for their bed. And you may have this issue. Underneath the bed, they have 5 inches of clearance. And this is so... I'm going to raise this because they want to put their legs underneath the side table so that it could act kind of like a tray over your legs. So you have a 5-inch gap right here. And I can show you a quick fix for that in case you're not woodworking inclined and just want to know. This is the design that I'm going to make. It's actually going to screw into the bottom of the couch side table. And this is going to be the side that you're looking at that's coming outside of the bed, so you're going to be looking at it from here. Let me just talk about it. These 2 rails at the top give you a clearance to the bottom. That's going to be where you screw in to the pre-existing couch side table. And then I have cross members to support these so that they don't cave in or push out. And again, these are the beams that are going to be used to attach this raise or stepper, if you will, to the original couch side table. Actually, I've decided against the cross members, so just make this part of the box, and then to attach to the pre-existing couch side table, I made 4 holes. This one was a mistake. The bit actually broke on me, so that was fun. And then we're going to go ahead and paint it. As you can see, this is the final product that I made, and this is going to be the stepper that I will attach to the product. First thing you're going to do is you're going to turn your original product upside down, then you're going to put the stepper on top and make sure it lines up really well. And what we're going to do is go ahead and drill the holes down. Now, as you can see, it's to the side of the bed, and you have enough clearance so that you can put your legs underneath. It's a pretty common sense fix, but if you didn't think of it, now you have the fix. As always, thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe or leave me questions and/or comments down below.